Product overview. Left frame. Assemble the left frame and the bottom panel together with 2 AA screws for easy installing. Insert the AA screw into the hole in the bottom panel first. Right frame. Assemble the right frame and bottom panel together with 2 AA screws. Back panel. Assemble the back panel and 2 frames together with 4 AA screws. Casters with brakes. Screw them into the holes in the bottom of the frames. Screw the casters without breaking into the remaining 2 holes. The casters can be tightened by the H wrench. Beam. Assemble the beams and 2 frames together with 4 AA screws. CC and DD. Insert the CC into the holes in the beam. Screw to DD into the holes in the bottom panel. Left door. Pass the hole in the bottom of the door through the DD screw. Adjust the CC to through the hole in the upper of the door. Right door. Assemble the right door with the same method. Rotate the door to verify whether the door is completely installed. Put the grilled body upon 2 frames. Assemble the grilled body and 2 frames together with 4 AA screws. Draw the oil drip tray out. Remove the protective packing paperboard and put the oil drip tray back. Pre-assemble 4 AA screws to the left side of the grilled body. Do not tighten. Light side table. Light front panel. Assemble the left side table and the left front panel together with 2 AA screws. Hang the left side table combination on the pre-assembled AA screws. Assemble the left front panel and the grilled body together with 2 AA screws. Do not tighten. Assemble the left side table combination and the grilled body together with 2 AA screws. Tighten all screws. Right front panel. Right burner table. Assemble the right front panel and the right burner table together with 2 AA screws. Pre-assemble 4 AA screws to the right side of the grilled body. Do not tighten. Hang the right burner table combination on the pre-assembled AA screws. Assemble the right front panel and the grilled body together with 2 AA screws. Do not tighten. Assemble the right burner table combination and the grilled body together with 2 AA screws. Tighten all screws. Assemble the E on the left hole near the bellows side of the hose valve. Do not tighten. Knob base. Insert the valve from the back into the largest hole in the right front panel. Assemble the knob base and the valve together using the pre-assembled E-screw on the left side and 1 E-screw on the right side. Tighten the screws. Side burner. Insert the side burner into the hole in the right burner table from the top down. Make sure the tail of the side burner aligns with the valve nozzle. Screw in 2 E-screws from below to tighten the side burners. Knob. Pass the hole in the back of the knob through the valve and adjust to install the knob. Igniter kit. Insert the igniter needle into the hole in the right burner table from below. Make sure the needle faces the side burner. Tighten igniter needle from above with an E-screw. Warming rack. Insert the rack posts into the specified holes in the grill body. Burner rack. Insert the rack posts into the specified holes in the right burner table. Grilled heating plate. Place the grill heating plate in the holder. Cast iron cooking grate. Place 2 pieces of cooking grates. Cast iron cooking plate. Place the cooking plate. Oil drip box. Place the oil drip box along the guide rail of the oil drip tray. Rotate the screw anti-clockwise to make space for the gas tank. Place the gas tank into the nesting hole in the bottom panel. Rotate the screws clockwise to secure the gas tank. Connect and tighten the regulator valve of the hose to the threaded valve of the tank to ensure that there is no methane leakage. Turn the brake anti-clockwise to lock the caster. Put AA batteries into the igniter with plus facing outward and facing inward. Screw the igniter cap in. Press the igniter button in without releasing and turn the control knob anti-clockwise. The fire should be lit immediately. After lighting the fire, release the igniter button. Light the side burners with the same method. You can adjust the fire as you need.